Hello there everyone and welcome to Seven Sisters Railway Station, and as 7:10:115 and 7:10:114 arrive with the 12:51 London Overground service of London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt, we see the departure of 7:10:125 and 7:10:121 working the 12:50 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. As 7:20:522 and 7:25:12 arrive with the 12:55 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport, we see the departure of 7:45:103 working the 12:54 London Greater Anglia service from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station is 7:20:135, working the 12:59 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Next arriving into the station is 7:10:129 and 7:10:118 with the 13:05 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. Whilst going in the opposite direction will be 7:10:126 and 7:10:110, working the 13:04 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Next to depart from the station will be 7:20:527. Working the 13:08 Greater Anglia service from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station will be 7:45:104, working the 13:12 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. And heading off in the opposite direction is 7:45:010, with the 13:12 Greater Anglia service from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 7:10:128 and 7:10:259, working the 13:20 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.